How's it going, Emily? Okay. This looks so good. This is our second year of the Drawing and Painting Marathon. Last year, we started the summer intensive program for upper level district high school students. We leveled up the program. We added more students. We added painting.
I've learned a lot. I've learned lots about figure drawing, like drawing from observation and like drawing people.
This is Ariana. She's going to be our model for today.
One of the things that I look most forward to is our chance to work with live models.
I think it's really important.
It's something that you don't really do elsewhere. This has been like a very good refresher for a lot of the fundamentals and also like applying that, especially over the summer. This has been a really good way to get back into it right before the school year kicks off.
Her face looks great. Always look at relative values, which is lighter and which is darker of two things.
It kind of gives me like a warm up and a place to get started. I really like just the environment here. It feels like it's 8 hours that we're here. It doesn't feel like that.
I would start building up some of this dark in there, and I think that will sort of help pull them together. But the figures look great. So the goal is to build community. Here's pose number 2. Working with these students, it's great. They're excited about things that I'm excited about, and like I can share my joy. So you're working both additively and reductively, right? Yeah. I'm in the right place.